Saving money and building wealth are actually two different skills. Most people are great at one and terrible at the other. And I used to be one of them. I had almost $14,000 saved up, and I was still broke. Not broke like no money, broke like no idea what any of it was doing for me. You'd think the answer is just invest all of it. Wrong. That's actually how people lose their safety net in 6 months. There's a specific order you have to do this in, and getting the order wrong is the one reason beginners quit investing forever after their first bad month. So here's the exact split I use, and it's stupidly simple. Bucket 1, your don't touch this no matter what money. Bucket 2, your this is allowed to go up and down money. Bucket 1 is your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of bills sitting in a high-yield savings account, currently earning around 4 to 5% just for existing there. Not investments, not crypto. Cash you can grab in 24 hours if your car dies or you lose your job. Bucket 2 is everything after that. That's the money that's allowed to ride the market's ups and downs because you won't need it for years. Remember that $14,000 I mentioned? I had $0 in bucket 2. All 14 grand was just sitting there, earning basically nothing, doing nothing, going nowhere. That's not saving, that's the expensive napping. So when do you move money from bucket 1 to bucket 2? 3 checkpoints and you need all 3. Your emergency fund is fully funded. Any debt over 7% interest is gone because no investment reliably beats a 20% credit card rate. You won't need this money for at least 5 years. Hit all 3? You're not ready to invest, you're already late. Every month you wait past that point is a month of compound growth you don't get back. Now here's what actually goes in bucket 2, ranked from easiest to hardest. If your job offers a 401k match, that's free money. Take it first before anything else, no exceptions. After that, a Roth IRA, low-cost index funds, boring. That's the point. Boring is what makes millionaires, not the stock everyone's talking about on social media. You don't need to pick winners. You need to buy the whole market and wait. Here's the number that made me actually start. $200 a month, starting at 25, at an average 8% return, turns into roughly $525,000 by 65. Start at 35 instead, just 10 years later. And that same $200 a month only gets you to about $225,000. Same money, same effort, 10 years cost you $300,000. Saving keeps you safe. Investing is what actually makes you free. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. If this helped, subscribe. I break down one real money move like this every single week. No fluff, no ads for garbage investment apps. See you in the next one.